Hi, I'm John, the Twisted Cuber. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to solve the last three edges on the 4x4 at the same time. This will give you another option when getting to the end of solving the edges on the 4x4. Before we get started, I hope you'll hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Let's begin. This method will work on the 4x4 and will also work on the Master Kilomix, a 4x4 Megamix. In the future, I will be doing a tutorial on how to solve this puzzle, and when I do that, I will do a tutorial on how to do the same method on this puzzle. Here we have three unsolved edge pieces. Pick the edge you wish to build. I'm going to build the green and white. Take this edge set, bring it to the top. Note the positions of these edges that we're not building. Bring this over so it's on the right, and note the positions of these two pieces relative to these two pieces. If these are diagonal to each other, as in this, when it comes down will be on the bottom, this coming down will be on the top, then it is ready to be solved. Move that out of the way. Bring this over with the slice move, bring that up, over, down, undo the slice move, and those three edges are now solved. Here's another example of three unsolved edges. Choose the edge that you wish to build. In this case, I'm going to do orange and white. Bring this set up. Note the position of the edges that you are not building. Bring this over like we did before. And note that in this case, this is going to go across from this, and the same with the blue. So what we're going to need to do here is bring this over like so, move it to the opposite layer like so, and reposition. Again, note the positions of where these are. And note that now they are diagonal to each other. And the same with the blue. So at this point, do the horizontal slice move, bring that up, bring that over, bring that back down, undo the slice move, and our three edges are solved. And there you have it, a quick tutorial on how to solve the last three edges on the 4x4. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, have a great day.